welcome to my yoga beginners classes. So I'm going to talk about easy pose today. So this is sitting down on your mat. I'd like you to sit down on your mat. And this is not the lotus pose where we sit in a very cross-legged pose. This is easy pose, Sukhasana in Indian Sanskrit. So sitting on your mat with your legs crossed. Now, if that's a problem for you, then you can get some blocks, put those under your knees. You can find a book or another yoga block and pop that under your buttocks. If you don't have any of those, you can roll up a blanket and put that under your knees. Anything to make it more comfortable, more accessible for you. In time, you will be able to take these away and you'll have an easy pose without props. So start comfortable. Legs crossed, hands on your knees. Now they can either be upward facing or downward facing. And as you're going to learn, yoga is all about grounding. So I want you to be grounded and feel nice and steady. Nicely grounding, rolling yourself round and making sure you're sitting on your sitting bones. Making sure that your pelvis is in a neutral position. So rock it backwards and forwards, just check in with you. Yoga is all about how you feel, how your body is feeling. So your lower body is nicely grounded, hands on your knees. And then we're going to think about your shoulders. We don't want them up. So up, back and down opens up our chest. We want to be opening up. So rolling your chest, your shoulders back and opening up that chest. Lifting your sternum slightly up. Imagining that golden thread. Keeping your chin nice and parallel. We don't want to be looking down. Nice parallel chin. And then you can breathe nice and easily. You can either close your eyes, breathing in and breathing out. Breathing in and breathing out. So this is easy pose and it's foundational pose in yoga. So I hope you'd like to practice that. Don't forget props. If you haven't got any yoga blocks, you can use books or blankets or cushions. And if you've got really tight hips or knees, you can place something underneath your buttocks and then keep your legs open to start with. And gradually you'll be able to bring them in, gradually bringing them in and opening up these hips. It's essential that you listen to your own body, especially when you're not in front of a teacher. So listen to your body, allow yourself to sit in an easy pose and enjoy connecting with your body. Thank you. Namaste.